throw this, oh my goodness, this, like that, to the fridge. The limit is 10. I'll be all the way at the table and I'll see if I can do that. Shot 1. Pretty easy, not gonna lie. Okay, it's starting to get a little harder. Move all the way over here. This is just shot 2, and it's already getting harder. Here we go. Right where the camera is. 3, 2, 1. Oh! What? Look at that. It's like on my calendar. I'm just gonna take that. Now, it's starting to get harder and harder. I'm at stage 3, and that's how high I have to get it. This will be stage 4 or something. Yeah! Look! There's absolutely no way. There's absolutely no way I just flew that far. Look! Okay, next one. It's starting to get really hard. I'm at late stage number 4 and I'm already so far away from this. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on. I thought I was going to do this. And if I do not do 5, if I don't get if I get past 5 limits, then I have to space this terrible punishment. Third time's a charm. Oh, come on, just a teeny little inch. Boy. Oh, did that count? It just landed on my calendar. Thank you very much. Okay. Now it's really hard. Since it's already level 5, I'm far away from my refrigerator, as you can tell. Oh! If I just aim it at the fridge, should be able to get it. Oh, come on! That should count. I made it on the fridge, but I didn't. Okay. Let's go! Okay. That's from level 5 and now get a point, but this is level 6. It's already so far away. Oh! How did I do that on my first shot? What? Look. Now, this bad boy's getting harder. We're on level 6, I think. I think it's 7. I don't know. But I think it's level 6. Yeah, I think it's level 7. Yeah, I think it is. I don't remember. No, it was level 6. Oh my god, why don't I remember? Do you know what? If I didn't do 6, I'm going to do 6. Yeah, let's do... I think... Oh my god, it's level 7. I forgot. I think. So, let's go for a big pot. Oh! I see I'm getting luckier and luckier. I'll take that as a win. Okay. This is going to be one of the farthest shots on YouTube. I'm going to move my camera far away from the fridge. And if I somehow make this from 10 shots, I will receive a prize. Come on. Really? I think this is way more extreme than I thought it would be. Yeah, this is more extreme than I thought it would be.